next one, cleaning. Cleaning. Cleaning.
Cleaning.
Mhm.
Cleaning.
The next one, reading fairy tales. Reading fairy tales.
Reading
Fairy
tales.
Uh-huh. So, or we can say reading stories, detectives, novels,
Hello,
anything. Hi, Harry. So just join us, okay? We're reviewing the vocabulary. The next one, roller skating. Roller skating.
Roller skating.
Roller
Mhm.
skate.
Bowling. Bowling.
Bowling.
Mhm. Knitting.
Knitting.
So K is silent, right? We don't pronounce it. So it's pretty much the same. Pretty much girls do it. It's the same as embroidery. So pretty much kind of the same kind of crafts. Okay. Okay. So play an instrument. Play an instrument.
Play an instrument.
Mhm. Do sports. Do sports.
Do
Do
sport.
sports.
Reading.
Reading.
Singing.
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 Gardening. Gardening.
Gardening.
Hiking.
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 So we can go to the park, not only to the forest for hiking. Okay. Bird watching. Bird watching.
Bird watching.
Bird watching.
So here in Canada, this kind of hobby is very popular. So sometimes, even at school, kids have small tours, and they have monocle, so the special glasses. So they go with their teachers to the forest and watch for different birds. Okay. So the next one, surfing.
Surfing.
Acting.
Acting.
Camping.
Camping.
So this one is very popular here in Canada too, camping. Writing.
Writing.
Swimming.
Swimming.
Okay, and the rest is the same. Okay, so but again, these are not the only hobbies that you may know or you may practice. There are much more than that, and we will talk a bit later about it. Okay, so let's talk about likes and dislikes. So how do we express these feelings or our interests when we talk about what we like or what we don't like? So when we like something, we can use these phrases, I like, and they are pretty much graduated here from the very little. So I like, it means I enjoy it. I love, it means I enjoy it even more. Okay, and I adore means I like it much more than I just love it. Okay, so we can also say I'm crazy about something and just add the hobby you do, or I'm mad about. And even though mad is more like negative word, right? When someone is a bit crazy, we can say that the person is mad or very, very stressed or very angry, right? We can say that the person is mad. But in English, in this kind of combination, I am mad about something, it has a positive expression. Okay? So we also can say I enjoy, I'm keen on, I have a soft spot, so the same for somebody. So this relates to a person. Okay, I have a soft spot for somebody means that I like that person a lot, like it's my favorite person. If we talk about family or friends, I have a soft spot for someone. You can also say that I think something is or are, if we talk about different hobbies, brilliant, great, or wonderful. Okay, so brilliant would relate to people, I would say. I'm into something. Again, we talk, you can hear a lot. I'm into arts, I'm into sports. It means that people enjoy different, okay, and they like pretty much all of those activities. I'm really or very or quite interested in have the same meaning as I enjoy doing something. Okay, so these are phrases that we use to describe something that we like. We also can express negative feelings to something that we don't like, and for these purposes we use these phrases. So we can say I don't like, or the same I dislike. So you probably know that sometimes we have different prefixes like these that we add to word, and the word change the meaning from opposite to opposite. Okay, so we also can say I hate something, I abhor something, I don't bear, so I'm not interested pretty much. I don't stand means I don't like it at all. Pretty much the same meaning as I hate something. I detest. So that has the same meaning pretty much as I hate. So these three are pretty much equal for meaning, for the degree that we don't like. I loathe, so the same I don't like something, and I'm not keen on something means that I'm not interested in something, or this I physically I cannot do it, I'm not successful in doing that. Okay, so these are the expressions that we use when we would like to describe something that we don't like. So, and when we would like to express neither like nor dislike feeling, so we're indifferent. Like I don't really care what's going on with that hobby or with something. So we will say I don't mind. Okay, so it means that I nor like it or dislike. So I'm indifferent. Like it's okay. Okay, but I still can do something, can do it. So I don't mind. I don't really care either way. This is the other phrase that we can say. Let's repeat it together, by the way. This one is a good one. I don't really care either way.
I don't really care either way.
Good job. And I just heard Harry. Where are the rest? I don't really care either way.
I don't really
care either way.
So the other way to say when, we don't much care or whether it's okay or not, it's all the same to me. It's all the same to me. So no difference, right? Or we can say, I think something is or are all right. So the same. Neither good nor bad to us. We are fine. We can do it, but we won't really enjoy it. So, and let's look at the examples. So how we actually use the phrases, okay? So things to remember about likes and dislikes. So number one, when these expressions are followed by a verb, the letter is put in the ing form. So for example, I like listening to music. So here we have listening, right? The verb is listen. So we need to add ing. We can say I like to listen to the music, but more likely, if you come to Canada, you will hear I like listening. So more often people add this ing to the verb. Or you can hear I hate wearing sunglasses. So, and here are the examples too. So if we have positive, negative, or neutral phrase and we use the verb, we need to add ing to the end of the verb. But if it's a noun, we just add a noun, like no changes. For example, I like arts. Like we don't change anything. Okay? So the next one, number 2, note that very much and a lot always come after the things you like. So we put this to the end of the sentence. For example, I like basketball very much, or we can say that I like basketball a lot. But we cannot say I like very much basketball or I like a lot basketball. Okay? So very much or a lot will go to the end of the sentence, even though people will still understand you, but they will know that you're a foreigner. Okay? So number 3, be careful when you use the phrase I don't mind. So we've already spoke about that. For example, do you mind playing football? No, I don't. So the person who you talk to will understand your answer as, although it's in a negative form, because we say I don't, right? It means that it's okay for me. I neither love it nor hate it. So it means if someone would ask you, do you like playing basketball? And you say, no, I don't mind. The next phrase or the next answer could be, let's go play then. So, and in this way, the person will think that you're fine playing, but you just not enjoy it a lot. Okay? So, when you express neutral feelings or a neutral attitude to something, just be prepared to hear the follow-up question. Okay? So, things like, so it's not there. So, remember, we said that we can say I'm into something, or I'm really, or very, or quite interested in, will have the same meaning as I'm good at something. Okay? So remember they said I'm good at, I guess it was sports. They were talking about sports. So this is one of the ways, another way of describe what you like. Okay? And because usually what we like, what we're good at, we usually enjoy it. So we like it. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, excellent. Okay. So let's talk. Are you ready to talk?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Excellent. So tell me now, what are your favorite subjects at school? What do you like, or what you don't like, what you dislike? What do you like? What are your favorite subjects at school?
My
and
favorite
least favorite.
at school are English and math,
Why do you like them?
because I find they interesting and they are important and useful in the life.
Yeah, true. Okay. Who else? Curly, what about you? What are your favorite subjects at school and why? And least favorite, and something that you don't like.
My favorite subject is literature.
Literature?
I think it's easy to study, and I love writing the essays as a student. And I don't like chemistry and science. I think it's difficult and I'm not good at it.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. Thank you.